Behind every nooni glossy finish is a story. Nooni lip oil is developed and manufactured in partnership with one of Korea's largest OEM manufacturers, a partner with over 30 years of expertise and K-beauty technology. Every formula begins with precision. Ingredients and pigments are carefully measured, heated, and blended. Once smooth and uniform, lab samples are prepared for evaluation. Through repeated testing, each sample is refined for shade, clarity, shine, and glide. Once approved, the formula is precisely filled into each bottle. Each applicator and cap is carefully assembled and secured. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control to meet global standards. From Korean innovation to beauty routines around the world, truly nooni.